All right, boys, welcome back. Today we're in Salvation Army, and I wanted to show you guys some things I found. One of them being this Hercules figure right here. It's pretty old. Looks like it's from 1995. Hercules Toy Biz toy. It's actually two of them. Here's the other one. This one's in a little bit worse shape for $5. Also, another piece of Hercules stuff right here. Another old Hercules figure, again, 1995. Now, a lot of people get excited because they see these vintage toys and, you know, they'd be over the moon. But in reality, they're worth almost nothing. I'll throw some sold comps so you guys can see, but they're worth almost nothing. It's absolutely not worth. They're $5 a piece. I mean, you'd be lucky to break even if you sold them on eBay. But I did find something that is worth something. That is this 1993 Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. Still in the package. It's definitely dirty. I mean, look at it. It's pretty gross. But I get like $20 to $40. I'm pretty happy with that. I got a few things here. A lot of people in here. Probably just gonna show you guys the rest in the truck, but pretty cool little find if I do say so myself. So I will catch up with you guys in the truck. Maybe I'll, you know, show you if I find something else cool. Guys, back out of Salvation Army. It is 2 p.m. and the parking lot is literally full. I didn't know this today, but today's half off, 50% off of clothing. So that's why it's so crazy. But it's insane to me how it's Wednesday at 2 p.m. and all these mother truckers are out here just living their best life, I guess. What, does nobody work anymore? Says the guy who's out at 2 p.m. on a Wednesday. Anyways, so let me show you guys a little haul here. Pretty good. We spent, what would you say, 20, 30 minutes in there? Something like that? Yeah, nothing crazy at all. I did end up getting this guy right here, this Mighty Morphin Power Ranger 1993 Power Ranger. He is dirty. You guys can kind of see, you know, he definitely needs to be cleaned up, that's for sure. What are those, you know? We got to clean them up is what we got to do. Boxes is definitely pretty toasted. This is not going to be a collector's item, that's for sure. But for a whole $4, again, I'll put sold comps up. I'm looking at anywhere from like 20 to 40. One sold in the box for like 20 plus shipping, but right now there's none in the box up, and all the ones out of the box are selling for 20, so I'll probably put it up for $30, $40, something like that. So that's cool. Another small thing that a lot of people would probably skip over is this Invicta box right here. This is a watch box. If you guys don't know Invicta, they make watches. Yeah, they're not like super fancy or super crazy watches or anything like that, but some of them do retail for hundreds of dollars. So yeah, the inside pretty nice in here. Got the little booklet, got the little Invicta little cloth. That's all like fleece, so it's very, very nice. And this is one of the larger ones. The normal sizes, I have a couple Invictas. The normal ones are a lot smaller than this. So for $2, I decided to pick that up, and honestly, I'm probably looking at profit like 15 bucks. I'll probably throw it up for like $20, $18 plus shipping. No big deal. Pretty simple, honestly. I didn't see, there's only one that's sold. There's none that's up, which tells me that they do sell when they go up. So probably post it for like $15 plus shipping, $20 plus shipping. But that'll be a quick little flip, and worst comes to worst, I don't sell it. I can use it for my own Invicta watches, so don't have a problem with that. Now, on to something that Chris actually got, but again, you guys have to take into consideration, folks, for myself, this is something that I would have picked up. So we've got ourselves a tie, and a lot of people don't think to look at ties, but ties are money makers, especially when they are Donald J. Trump, the Donald J. Trump, Mr. what is it, 45th president of the United States or something. Regardless of how you feel politically about him, you can make some money off him, okay? So whether you love him, whether you hate him, I don't give a shit as long as it's making me money, all right? So this was $1, and it sells for what, about 30? 20 to 30 bucks. And this is going to ship media mail, so it's going to cost a whole maximum like $4 to ship, and that's pushing it. It'll probably be like $2.50, $3. So that is awesome. And then the last pickup from this Salvation Army is, it's gonna be kind of hard to show, so I'll do my best, but is this vintage Harley Davidson shirt right here. Genuine American Motorcycles Harley Davidson. And then if you look right there, sorry, I'm trying to focus for you guys. 1991. And then on the back, it is like a custom print, basically. So it's Pike Place Market, Seattle, Washington. Okay, no idea where that is. But I couldn't find any exact comps, right? So I found one with where the fronts are the same. There's only one, and it sold for like 25 plus shipping. I'll try to throw this little comp up here, 20, 25, something like that, plus shipping. But that was the only one that I found. Also, this one's more broad. This one's in Seattle, Washington. I forget where the other one was. And then there is like an actual like event in Seattle, Washington. This is going to be the only one up there. It's from 1991. I'm going to post it for 40 bucks and see how she does. The price would have been $6, but today is half off, so I paid $3 for this shirt. And again, it's going to ship media mail, so that's an easy. If I sell for 40 bucks, I mean, I'll be making at least 30 bucks profit. So pretty good. We're going to go hit up a Goodwill and some other thrift stores, and yeah, we'll see what we come up with. But so far, 30 minutes in, and 30, 50, like $70, $80 profit for about 20, 30 minutes. So pretty solid, man. This is what I'm telling you guys. You guys could literally come here before, after work, whatever, make some money. It's not that hard. Not that hard, right? You just got to get started. So let's go on over to Goodwill. Can't promise there will be anything. We're going to hit up some other thrift stores. Can't promise there'll be anything, but we're going to go take a look. All right, so at one of our local thrift stores and score, kind of big, so I'm just going to kind of show you like that. If you don't know what those are, it's fine. But they are hubcaps to a 2011 Dodge Avenger, and they're worth a good chunk of money. They're worth, for the set of 4, because they're all OEM with hubcaps, I'm looking at about $100. I'll throw some sold comps up. Refurbished, which is just like honestly cleaned, which I'll probably clean them. They're selling for around $40 per hubcap. I think I'd rather just get rid of all of them for like 100 bucks. But yeah, I'll throw up some sold comps. But yeah, we were in there for 10 minutes. Sorry if the AC's loud, guys. But yeah, we were in there for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Found one thing, got in, got out. 100 bucks right there, because I'll charge $100 plus shipping. So realistically, I'll just have to pay eBay's 12% or whatever. So yeah, even if I sell them for 100, I'm making like 90 something bucks. So yeah, we're at like over $200, and we've put in a total of maybe 40 minutes in stores. So not a bad day so far. I just took a little break. Now we are at CC's Pizza. I know it's kind of going extinct, but look at this. There's like nobody here, which is crazy because all the stores have a million people in them, but there's nobody actually eating. So got a bunch of pizza there. See what you will about CC's. I love it. And honestly, for $22, we got 2 like adult buffets and 2 drinks. You can't beat that. And the best thing is that when you're out thrifting, it's pretty much free. I mean, I'm in the profit well over $100, probably in the $200 range today. So totally free meal. I'm happy about it. All right, everybody, back at the home office here. I honestly completely forgot to film an outro to that video. If you notice, it's a totally different day. I'm not even wearing the same shirt, but I forgot to film an outro, so I figured I'd throw something in here. And rather than record it on my phone, I just figured, you know, already at the desktop, may as well. But what a good little thrifting trip. Honestly, probably altogether less than an hour. Even if you include driving. If you include driving, I would argue that it was less than an hour and a half. Let's push it and say 2 hours. And I think we easily cleared $200. I mean, the hubcaps alone, I'm going to get about $100 for. Only paying $6 for them. That is very, 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 very solid. So about $200 in 2 hours. You're talking $100 an hour. And honestly, went out to eat after, paid for my lunch. I mean, it sounds like a win win to me. So these videos are basically to show you guys it's really not as hard as you think. Now, if you make excuses, then it's very, very hard. But if you just do it and stop making excuses, you could easily make an extra $500 a month profit. And that's easy. You are talking easy. You're talking a maximum of like 5, maybe 10 hours a week in the, a month in the beginning, especially if you're just kind of starting out. But an extra, 10 hours a month, make $500 a month. I mean, that's pretty solid, right? That's pretty solid right there. $50 an hour. Who wouldn't want to take up on that? So, with all that being said, I do have a course, link in the description. A lot of you guys probably know that. That course, I go in depth on how to turn eBay into a very successful side hustle or even a career if you guys wanted to. Again, that's how I started. That's how I started basically everything. I started flipping stuff on eBay and was able to go into different businesses and everything. And that's how I've been relatively successful in my life. Thanks to eBay. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to see any sort of content, let me know in the comment section below. I am planning on doing a $5 to $1,000 or $5,000 series. I know I keep saying that, but I promise I want to, but almost every time I go out, I just get hyped up. I just get excited. So yeah, I kind of tend to forget. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and more content coming soon.